Hey guys, in this video you're going to be seeing how to deploy a fastapi application in Azure App Service. So currently we have a to-do fastapi application which I had built as a part of learning from a Udemy course by Rick Ruby. It's an amazing course. Okay, you guys can check it out. So before deploying this application in Azure App Service, first let's check if it's working fine in the local. So this is a to-dos app which has the functionality of registering users and having an login and logout implementation, and it has an JWT authentication and as well as a refresh token as well. We have made use of Starlet, which handles all the usual HTTP request parsing and response generation. And also we have used Pydantic module, which is used for data validation. And also we have used SQL Alchemy for ORM, object relational mapping. Okay, so our app is working as expected in the local. So currently this application code I have pushed in my GitHub under master_Azure branch. So that is the code which we are going to use for deploying in the Azure App Service. Let's open up portal.azure.com, and in that we need to select our subscription, resource group, and our web app name, and we need to select our runtime stack for our application, which should be Python 3.9 version for our case. In the deployment section we can see the GitHub account that is linked to this, and in that we can see the repositories and which repository we want to select, and in that repository which branch we want to particularly deploy from. We are creating the app service. Currently its deployment is in progress, and then after our app is deployed we need to do one thing. In the app configuration we need to specify a startup command. We are gonna specify a command unicorn, which should make use of unicorn's worker class for starting up this web server. The status of our application which is building via the GitHub actions to view the status of our build. So in here we can see all the workflow that is being carried out. So it would take some time, 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, so after it's completed, let's just and that's how we deploy a fastapi application in Azure App Service. Thanks for watching, guys.